Hi everyone, this is Lokesh from PySpiders Rajajinagar. We have one of our place student, so she is going to share her experience in our center.
Hi, I am Ashwini. So I have joined PySpiders in the month of June, and I took course of Python full stack development. And initially, Python was not handled by Keshav sir, so it was handled by some other faculties. And later on, it was taken by Keshav sir. So Keshav sir took Python, and the way sir taught us was very clear and was very informative. And because of boot camps which were going on regularly, and they made a group of 4 members which helped us a lot to clear all the doubts in the sessions. And coming to the SQL was taken by Murli sir. They completed in 3 months and it was very clear. And SQL, actually after coming to this institute, I got full confidence in the SQL part. And Python was completed recently. And coming to the Python made, like, I thought Python is very difficult, but after seeing the way of teaching which was taught by Keshav sir, even Python was very easy. And it was little bit difficult, but when we understand after the mocks, after taking certain mocks and boot camps, Python will become so easy so that everyone can try it and they can solve it easily. And coming to web tech, it was taken by Govindaj sir. And sir took it in very neat and calm way, because everyone was in our class was not responsive so much, but still HTML, CSS, JavaScript was so much knowledgeable, because in nowadays we are everything is like front end based, so even requirements are coming for the front end requirements. So it helped us a lot to complete even HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now my Django is ongoing. I am currently ongoing with Django by Alex sir. And recently I have applied through HRs. I have contacted with HRs, and I have and from that I have got selected. There was 3 rounds and I cleared all 3 rounds and I got selected. So I am very thankful to all the HRs, because every time whenever I go, they'll add our name and they'll do all the processes they have to do. And because of that, we are attending all the placements, everything, requirements and all. So I majorly thank to all the faculties, mainly Keshav sir and Murli sir, all the faculties, and even the HRs who supported us, and even the like bootcamp sessions, even the trackers, even all the like who cleared our doubts during the bootcamp sessions. Bootcamp made us to crack all these interviews. Thank you so much.